Good morning, students. Welcome back to my maths class. Today I will continue the chapter algebraic expressions. Okay, last class I have given an introduction and I have given one exercise to do. Hope that all of you did. And today we will continue addition, subtraction, all these things what you have already studied in 7th standard. Okay, then for this coming annual examination, this algebra expression is not there till including constructions. Okay, so but more than construction, this algebra expressions and which I am going to take, I had to take 2 more chapters in 8th grade syllabus. What is that? Identities, and next chapter is factorization. So algebra expressions, identities, factorization. Likewise, 3 chapters are there that I will continue my portions in the month of January also to complete the portions of 8th grade. Then only I will start 9th grade textbook. And after completing these 3 chapters in January, there will be a test paper or exam. Okay, either along with the 9th grade or as one more test paper in the year of 8th grade. Likewise, okay, whatever it is, these 3 chapters very important. So there will be have a exam that time no one will be there to explain those things, so you have to take special care for the coming 3 chapters. Okay, which is very important also. Okay, for the coming annual examination, including construction only will be there. The other 3 chapters very important, which we will consider. We will take the exam in the month of January immediately after the vacation. So please go through these chapters also. Okay, algebraic expressions, I gave the recap on what is meant by constant, what is meant by variable, what is meant by monomial, binomial, what is meant by algebraic term, power, everything. And based on that, we have done some, I told you to do some questions also. Then let me tell one thing here. You have to, I will give one example. Okay, 80, not example, I have given some questions. Exercise 11a, exercise 11a, question number 4, last subdivision, that's 6th subdivision. Write the degree of the polynomial x raised to 5 y raised to 7, then minus 8x cube y raised to 8, 8x cube y raised to 8 plus, then 10x raised to 4 y raised to 4 z raised to 4, 10x raised to 4 y raised to 4 z raised to 4. What is that? This is a, what is this? This is an algebraic expression. Why we are calling, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. How you decided which will separated either by negative sign or by positive sign, either by minus sign or by plus sign? If the terms will be separated either by minus sign or by plus sign. Okay, this is altogether one term, this is altogether one term, this is altogether one term. This is 8 into x. These two are not 2 terms, everything together one term. Here into comes, here into comes. If multiplication comes, it won't separate the terms. If division also comes, listen, x by y, how many terms are there? Not 2, only one term. This is x by y. If division comes, no problem, it won't separate the term. We will consider full as one term. Okay, so how many terms are there? 3 terms. So what you will call this? You can call it as polynomial. As a general name, you can call either it as a polynomial. If more than one term, you can call poly. Poly stands for more than one. So you can call it as a polynomial or you can call it as a multinomial. Okay, no problem. But special name is what? If 3 terms are there, you will call it as, the other 2, polynomial and multinomial, are general terms, general names. Otherwise, specialized name is trinomial, because 3 terms are there, we will call it as trinomial. Here I am asking, what is the degree of this expression? This is an algebraic expression. Okay, with more than one term, 3 terms are there, which are separated either by plus or minus. And I am asking, what is the degree of this term? 5 plus 7, 12. What is the degree of this term? 3 plus 8, 11. What is the degree of this term? 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. Okay, here Which is the highest? Here also 12 is there, here also 12. So what is the degree? 12 is the, you have to take the highest power of all the terms. In all these three terms, these two terms, sometimes only for one term, which has the highest power, that power you will consider as the power of the whole expression. Okay, so what is the power of the whole expression? 12. Likewise, you can do. I did only one sample problem, that is, now we did question number 4, 6th subdivision. Next, likewise, about the coefficients also you may have some doubts. So I am doing question number 5, 5th subdivision. Question number 5, 5th subdivision. All of you take question number 5, 5th subdivision. What is that? Write the coefficient of 4xy. Write the coefficient of 4xy in which x square minus 4xy plus y square. How many terms are there? 3 terms. So this is a trinomial. Okay, whatever it is. What is the coefficient of 4x? Here they are not asking power. Coefficient of 4xy. What is the coefficient of 4xy? 4xy means 4xy comes in the middle term. So don't consider these two terms. Leave it. 4xy comes, there may have some doubt, as I am explaining again. 4xy comes in this middle term. So consider that middle term only and write the coefficient of 4xy in that. Okay. So I considered this, including the sign I considered. In this, what is the quotient of 4xy? What I told, if they are asking quotient of something, that something you remove. They are asking what's the quotient of 4xy. So 4xy removed. Coefficient of what they asked, that you remove. They are asking what's the quotient of 4xy. So 4xy I removed. What is remaining there? Only one negative sign. So you will write -1 is the answer. This and this, why we are not considering? Because 4xy doesn't come in those terms. 4xy comes in the middle term. So we will consider that one and we will tell the coefficient. Okay. So likewise you can do the other questions also. What is the question number 5, 4th subdivision? Question number 5, 4th subdivision. A square minus 8ax plus a. They are asking what is the coefficient of 8? What is the coefficient of 8? Coefficient of 8. Coefficient of 8. So 8 comes where? Here. Here 8 comes. Here 8 you remove. What is remaining here? Negative minus ax. So negative ax is the answer. Hope that it is clear. You no need to do like this. For your easiness I am doing. You will get the answer as negative. After 8, if you remove 8, what remains there in that special term? That we will call coefficient. Next we will do question number 6. Other questions are easy. That's why. Question number 6. 10th subdivision we can do. 10th subdivision. Question number 6. Question number 6. What is the question? Question number 6. In 5 by 7 xy square z cubed. 5 by 7 x y square z cubed. In this expression, what is the coefficient of yz square? 10th subdivision. Coefficient of, this is the short form of coefficient of yz square. Yz square. Okay. So yz square, from this you remove. So what remains? 5 by 7. Answer is 5 by 7 remains. X remains. 1 y gone. So 1 y remains. Only 1 y came here. So one more y is here. Then from here z square removed. So one z remains. So this is the answer. Hope that it is clear. Coefficient of yz square means yz square you remove from that. So 5 by 7x as such it is the y square. Y, if you removed 1 y remains. Z square, if you remove one, Z remains. So this is the answer. One more we will do, that is 11th subdivision. What is the coefficient of 5xyz? 5xyz, 11th subdivision. Coefficient of 5xyz. 5xyz. What is the coefficient of 5xyz? Okay. Here 5 we removed, but 1 by 7 is the x we removed, because x you have to, y you have to remove, so one more y is the, z you have to remove, so z square is the, so this is the answer. Hope that it is clear. In this you remove 5, you remove, okay, x you remove, y square you remove, y you remove, so one y remains. From z you remove, so this will become z square. 1 by 7 yz square. Okay, you don't do the change here. This for your information I am telling you. So hope that you got how to do this polynomial. Okay, sorry, coefficient. Hope that it is clear. Okay, there won't be even a small doubt. You have to clarify all the doubts, either by, it's better to ask your friends, and if there is common doubt then only you can ask me, because if all are asking to me, that also there will be a problem, because all the 80 students have to, I have to answer. But if it is in the necessary case, we will do. Then factor means what? No, this for your information. 5x square yz. What are the factors? 5x, x square, y, z. These are the factors. Okay, so if you are multiplying these things, minimum time you will get this one, product. So this is known as, if you want you can note down, product. These are known as factors. You got the meaning or difference between factors and product? Listen, 24. This is product. What are its factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These are the factors. These are the factors. Okay. This is the product. These are the factors. Okay. Likewise, the multiplication, after multiplying, what you will get, that answer is as the product. And if you are splitting, breaking it up to different components, if we are breaking into different components, each component is known as factors. You got the meaning of factor and the product. Okay. Then one more thing I have to tell, that you write as a note. As a note you write, if you want, you copy down these things. As a lecture note you can write. Okay. Next, as a note you write, an algebraic expression is a polynomial. An algebraic expression is a polynomial if, an algebraic expression is a polynomial if degree of each term, I will explain after this, if degree of each term is a non-negative integer. If degree of each term is a non-negative integer, then only you can call that as a polynomial. That's a new information, I think. I will explain. See, 2x square minus 8xy. This is not a polynomial. Why? Because what is its power? Negative 2. Okay. Total, what is the degree? That I know. This is negative 2. This is what? What is the degree of this? This is 1. This is 1. So total what? 2. 1 plus 1. X power 1, y power 1. So total power 2. So 2. So total power it is 2. I know. Total power 2. That means power of the algebraic expression it is 2. We told maximum. Even if this is negative 2, here positive 2. So you will take maximum. It will be 2. But what they are telling that if you want to call this as a polynomial, you cannot call this as a polynomial, because to be a polynomial, what's the minimum condition? Each term's power should be a positive number. This term power positive 2, but this term power negative 2, no? Negative number is inadmissible. So this is not a polynomial. You write one example, right? Example. Write this one. Write this one. Therefore, you write. Therefore, write this example. Then you write, therefore, negative 2x raised to minus 2 8xy is not a polynomial. This is an algebraic expression. But to be polynomial, all the power should be positive. Here power is not positive. Got it? Here power is positive. Each term power should be positive. So this is not a polynomial. Okay. You know the reason. We didn't write the reason. After that note we wrote this example. So it is clear. Okay. Then I am asking, what is the, you write example. What is the power of or the degree of power or degree or exponent or index? 4 names I told. Either power you can call, or index you can call, or degree you can call, or exponent you can tell. Okay. What is the power of 8? Who will tell? What is the power of 8? Now I can't ask directly. Now all of you just tell the answer in your mind. You tell the answer to yourself. What is the power of 8? 8 I wrote. What is its degree? Degree, how we will decide? The degree of the variable is called degree. Here is there any variable? No, this is a constant. Is there any variable? No. If variable is there, then only we will count its power as 1, 2, whatever it is. Here there is no variable. So what is the degree? Degree of 8 is 0. Got it? So all the constants degree is 0. All the constants degree is 0. Got it? I don't know whether you have studied in earlier classes. What is the degree of 100? 100 is a constant number. There is no variable. So what is the degree? 0. Got it? Next example. What is the degree of xy? What is the degree of xy? Here variable is there. How many variables? 2 variables. So each variable, here also 1, here also 1. So what is the degree? 2. 1 plus 1, 2. If variable is not there, degree will be 0. Hope that all the fundamentals are clear. Otherwise you note down and ask in the live class. I am moving to the addition. Okay. That also you studied, and please use the horizontal method. Don't use vertical method. Even if you study vertical method, I don't know which method. 8th standard we will study horizontal method, because for higher classes we need that method. If we are becoming if we are growing, that time if we are in the higher classes, we have to use the horizontal method. Okay. Right. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of polynomials. Addition and subtraction of polynomials. Okay. First question. Subtract. Already you studied, so we will take only the necessary questions. Subtract 12x plus 3y minus z. 12x plus 3y minus z from the sum of 7x plus 4y minus 5z plus 5 minus 5z plus 5 and 6x minus 7z minus 8. Okay. Subtract 12x plus 3y minus z from the sum of 7x plus 4y minus 5z plus 5 and 6x minus z 7z minus 8. What to do? Subtract I didn't write. Okay. Subtract. This you have to subtract. From what? From the sum of these two. That's the meaning. First you understand. So first you add these two. Then only you can do the subtraction. So clear? From the sum of. So sum you find. First you find sum of the last two expressions. From that answer. From that. So that answer minus the first one. Please keep the order. Simply by saying, oh, first expression. So first expression minus second. Don't think like that. Understand the meaning of the question and do. Okay. So first I am going to add these two. Okay. So 7x plus 4y minus 5z plus 5 plus 6x minus 7z minus. There may be a small change from what you have studied in a 7th standard, only in the method. But that's both are meaningful. You have to adjust, okay? Or if you want to follow what you have studied in 7th standard, also no problem. But the only one thing, don't use the vertical method. Now all x terms, like terms you write together. 7x plus 6x. Then plus. I told everything you write plus. Then the before sign you have to take, that I will tell you. 7x plus 4. Next 4y. Here no y's. So nothing. No y terms are there. So nothing. Nothing to take from that bracket. Next plus. Here since I am writing everywhere plus, you have to take the 6 sign also. Not only the number sign also. Negative 5z. Got it? So no confusion. You take everywhere the connection link as plus. But that time when you are taking the number, you have to take the sign also. Negative 5z here plus negative 7z. Okay. Plus. This is 5 plus this is negative 8. Okay. Now 13x plus 4y, this is minus 12z minus 3. This is the answer. If you have any doubt, you note down and ask me in the live session. Let me check the answer. No, my answer is, oh, not over. Oh, not over. This is only sum. This is only sum. Now we have to subtract the first steps expression from this. Only one line you draw. This is only the first step only over. This is clear how we took the sum. First we wrote first bracket plus it. Now like terms. This and this wrote together plus. 4y we took, but there is no y term, so 4y alone plus. This and this we took, wrote together plus. This and this we wrote together. Now you know how to do addition of integers. 13, 4y, this is negative 5, negative 7 is negative 12. That what I did that, otherwise plus you write and negative you no problem. Here plus you write and negative 3. Next step it will become, that I wrote together. Okay, I'll write here. So, answer is 13x plus 4y plus and minus together, minus 12z, here also plus and negative 3. This is one answer. Now, from this you have to subtract what? So, next 13x, once more I am writing, 4y minus 12z minus 3. Subtract, what is the other? Subtract what? 12x plus 3y minus z. 12x plus 3y minus z. Okay, what to do? All the like terms together. Like terms. No. Before that, if it is minus, Next step you will make this minus as plus, then all the signs inside the bracket will change. Okay, 13x plus 4y minus 12z minus 3 plus negative 12x negative 3y plus z. This I changed, this also I changed, this also I changed. Since this minus became plus. That is the rule of the subtraction. Now you do, if you want you keep the bracket. Now you do as our normal addition. 13x plus negative 12x plus 4y here y term plus negative 3y plus negative 12z plus z plus negative 3. Here no constant term. Here negative 3, but here no constant term. So negative 3 alone. Now you do and get the answer. Since you studied in 7th standard, this will be easy. X plus y minus 11z minus 3. This is the answer. You may take 2 steps, but at last we all will get the same answer. Yes, this is the answer. Got it? 13 minus 12, 1x, that is simply x. 4 minus 3, 1y, that is simply y. Negative 12 plus 1, answer is negative 11. Otherwise, like last problem, this plus you write and negative, no problem. This also plus and negative. Next step also x plus y minus 11z minus. Anyway, in the next step you will get plus and minus, it is minus, plus and minus, it is minus. Got it? Either straight away you will get this step, or from this step you will get this one. Clear? So integers you have to know thoroughly. Okay. Next we are doing another example. Take away. The question is take away 8x minus 7y. 8x minus 7y plus 8p plus 10q from 10x plus 12y, 10x plus 12y minus 7p plus 9q, minus 7p plus 9q. Clear? What is the meaning of take away? What is the meaning of take away? Take away means take it, subtract. That's the meaning. Subtract. Subtract this from this. So from what? That I will write first. Please keep the order. Don't write this as first. From what you have to, from this. This is the bigger one. From this you have to subtract this one. So 10x plus 12y minus 7p plus 9q minus this one. 8x minus 7y plus 8p plus 10q. Okay, next step what to do? Next step, this minus sign we will make as plus sign. So all the signs inside the bracket will change. Okay, you do. Okay, 10x plus 12y minus 7p plus 9q plus negative 8x plus 7y minus 8p minus 10q. Okay, I changed. Negative, this became positive, this became negative, this became negative. Now you do as the normal addition. Okay, 10x plus negative 8x, this and this together. Next, plus 12y plus 7y plus these two I took. Next, Negative 7p. I told you have to take the sign also because everywhere we are writing plus. So you have to consider the in front sign also. Negative 7p plus negative 8p. Linking everything we are writing plus plus. Plus 9q plus minus 10q. Clear? Okay. Then 2x. This is 19y. This is minus 15p. This is minus q. Minus 1q, that is simply q. I can write simply q, no need to write 1. Okay, this is the answer. So by doing 2 questions, hope that it is clear for you. Let me check if time is there. I will do one more. First you mark the homeworks. 11b, question numbers. Question number 4, 6th subdivision. Question number 4, 6th subdivision. 11b. Then question number 6. Question number 8. Question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 8. Question number 9. 4th subdivision. Question number 9. 4th subdivision. Then question number 12. Question number 14. Question number 12 and question number 14. These questions you have to do for the next class. Okay. You have to do all the homeworks. Those who are doing only, they can do this one. Last 2-3 minutes I can do one more problem. I think you write example 6. The perimeter of a triangle is, okay, just to see example 6. Example 6. The perimeter of a triangle is 15x square minus 23x plus 9. This is perimeter. Perimeter of a triangle is this one, and 2 of its sides are, okay, just to draw perimeter of a triangle. Okay, what are the 3 sides? 5x square plus 8x minus 1. Any side 5x square plus 8x minus 1. Then next to one 6x square minus 9x plus 4. Any 2 sides you can mark like this. And what is the third side? Okay, total, what is the perimeter? That means let the third side be A. Let the third side, this as its length is A, suppose. Okay, now we know that 5x square plus 8x minus 1 plus next one 6x square minus 9x plus 4 plus our A, that will be this perimeter. Perimeter for a triangle is sum of all the 3 sides. So this side plus this side plus this A, that will be equal to perimeter. 15x square minus 23x plus 9. Clear? So you add these two, that plus A equal to this one. So to get A from this, you have to subtract the addition of these two. Clear? Now it's very easy. Now we became the experts. Why can't we do like this? 5 plus 6. No need to write all the like terms together and all. 7th standard we studied, 8th standard again we are studying. 5 plus 6. 11x square. 8 minus 9. Negative 1x or simply x. Negative 1 plus 4 plus 3. Got it? Plus A. Those who have some problem to do like this, you can do that means all the x square terms together, all the x terms together, all the constant terms together, and you will get this. You will take one more step, that's all. Equal to 15x square minus 23x plus 9. So what is A? A equal to, let me write on top. Therefore, A equal to, A means the third side. equal to 15x square minus 23x plus 9 minus this one 11x square minus x plus 3. Get the answer as homework. Okay, you get the answer. Get the answer. It's better to draw the picture for this question. Equal to 15x square minus 23x plus 9 plus negative 11x square plus x minus 3. Oh, sorry. I changed the signs because this minus became plus. Next, you keep x square terms together, x terms together, constant terms together. You take one more step, but I am writing the answer. 15 minus 11, 4x square, negative 23 plus x, negative 22x plus 9 plus 6. Let me check. Yes, this is the answer. Hope that it is clear. Time is up, and next recorded classes we will continue multiplication, division and all. Don't forget to do the homeworks, and if there is any doubt you keep with you. We will discuss in the live class. Thank you.